This is not just about health, it is about holiness. Your body is not a garbage disposal for processed foods. It is a sanctuary. It is the dwelling place of the Most High God. The enemy's strategy is to defile the temple, to make it sick, weak, and inflamed, so that the spirit that dwells within it cannot thrive. Sugar is his perfect weapon. It is addictive. It is hidden in almost everything. It provides a fleeting pleasure that masks its destructive power. It is a form of gluttony which the Bible warns against.